Let us do Baddha virabhadrasana, which is the humble warrior. Stand in Tadasana. Take your left leg far back, left foot inclined inward about 45 degrees, right foot pointing out about 90 degrees. Interlock both your hands behind. Breathe in, roll your shoulders, open your chest and arch back a little bit. As you breathe out, bend from your lower back. Make sure your right foot is a little sideways. Lift both your hands as you bow down. Take your chest and forehead as close as possible to the ground. Hold the posture for a few breaths. Breathe in deeply. Inhale and come up. Exhale, release the hands and bring both the legs together. Very good. Repeat on the other side. Very good. Relax. Rise up. Release the hands and bring the legs together.